What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth not working issue in Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, turn on and off Bluetooth 2 to 3 times. So for that, swipe down and open quick settings panel. Now click on this Bluetooth icon and then turn on and off this button 2 to 3 times, and after that the Bluetooth will start working properly. But if you are still facing the issue, then the next solution is clear Bluetooth app cache. So for that, open settings, scroll down and click on apps. Now in apps, click on this filter icon and then turn on show system apps button. Now after turning on this button, click on OK and then scroll down and look for the Bluetooth app. Now click on this Bluetooth app and then go to its storage, and from here clear the cache memory of Bluetooth. So just simply tap on clear cache to clear the cache memory, and after doing this the Bluetooth will start working properly. But if you are still facing the same issue while using the Bluetooth, then try restarting your phone. So to restart, swipe down and click on this power icon and then click on restart, and now again click on this restart icon to restart your phone. So restarting your phone can fix small software glitches like Bluetooth issue. But after restarting, if you are still facing the issue, then if you have enabled power saving mode, then turn off power saving. So to check, swipe down and here this is the power saving icon. So if you have enabled power saving, then it may cause issues while using the Bluetooth. So make sure power saving is disabled, and after disabling power saving, the Bluetooth will 100% fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.